this tutorial, I will solve the ministerial questions of lesson 3.2, rules of differentiability. Question number 1, find f prime of x of f of x equal 4 over x power 3. Rewrite this function as f of x equal 4x to the negative 3, then differentiate it. F prime of x equal to negative 3 times 4x to the negative 3 minus 1, negative 4, equal to negative 12 over x power 4. Choice D. Question number 2, find the derivative of this function 4 over 3 x all power 2. Rewrite this function as f of x equal to 4 over 9 x 4 over 9 x to the negative 2, then differentiate it. F prime of x equal to 4 over 9 times negative 2 x to the negative 2 minus 1, negative 3, equal to negative 8 over 9 x power 3. Choice B. Question number 3, find the derivative of this function. The derivative is f prime of x equal to negative 2x, the derivative of the power, times the function itself. Choice D. Question number 4, derivative of cosine pi x, f prime of x, derivative of the angle pi, derivative of cosine negative sine pi x. Choice C, negative pi sine pi x. Question number 5, the derivative of this function. Apply derivative of multiplication of two functions, f prime of x equal to x times the derivative of the power negative e to the negative x plus e to the negative x times the derivative of x1. Simplify. E to the negative x minus x e to the negative x. Factorize by e to the negative x, 1 minus x. Choice C. Question number 6, derivative of this function. Rewrite it is as f of x equal 2 over 3x to the negative 2. Then the derivative is 2 over 3 times negative 2x to the negative 3. Rewrite it as negative 4 over 3x power 3. Choice D. Question number 7, find the derivative of this function. F prime of x equal to, apply derivative of multiplication of two functions, x times negative sine x plus cosine x times 1 derivative of x minus derivative of sine cosine x. Simplify. Negative x sine x minus cosine with plus cosine, then the right answer is B, negative x sine x. Question number 8, find the derivative of ln 1 minus e to the 2x over 1 plus e to the 2x. Rewrite this function as f of x equal to ln 1 minus e to the 2x minus ln 1 plus e to the 2x. Now the derivative f prime of x equal to 1 minus e to the 2x, and the derivative of the denominator in the numerator, negative 2 e to the 2x. minus 1 plus e to the 2x, the derivative in the numerator 2 e to the 2x, equal to the common denominator 1 minus e to the 2x times 1 plus e to the 2x, 1 plus negative 2 e to the 2x times 1 plus e to the 2x minus 2e to the 2x times 1 minus e to the 2x, equal to 1 times 1, 1 times e to the x, e to the 2x, negative e to the x times 1, negative e to the 2x, negative e to the 2x times e to the 2x, negative e to the 4x, negative, open this bracket, negative 2 e to the 2x minus 2 e to the 2x times e to the 2x e to the 4x, negative, open also this bracket, 2 e to the 2x, negative times negative, positive, 2 e to the 4x, equal to negative 2 e to the 4x with positive e to the 2x, negative 2 e to the 2x, negative 2 e to the 2x, negative 4 e to the 2x, e to the 2x minus e to the 2x, 0, 1, minus e to the 4x. Then the right choice is negative 4 e to the 2x over 1 minus e to the 4x. Question number 10. Find the derivative of this function. Derivative is f prime of x equal to derivative of x1, derivative of cosine x, negative sine x. 1 minus sine x, choice C. Question number 11. F of x equal 1 over x plus 1. We can apply the derivative of division of two functions, or we can rewrite this function as x plus 1 to the negative 1 and find the derivative of it. F prime of x equal to negative x plus 1 to the negative 2 times 1 equal to negative 1 over x plus 1 square. Choice A. Question number 12. The derivative of this function, apply derivative of multiplication of two functions, x times derivative of e to the x, e to the x, plus e to the x times the derivative of x1 equal to factorized by e to the x plus 1. Choice B. Question number 13. F prime of x equal to this is 2, not x, 1/2 plus sine x, since the derivative of cosine is negative sine, negative times negative, positive, therefore the right choice is B. Question number 14. F prime of t equal to 2t. Rewrite 4 over t square as 4 times 2 t to the negative 3, then find the derivative of this term. Negative 3 times negative 4, 12, t to the negative 4 equal to 12 over t to the power 4. Therefore, plus 12 over t to the power 4. Choice A. f of x equal 1 minus 3x power 2. Find f prime of negative 1. F prime of x equal to negative 6x. Then f prime of negative 1 equal negative 6 times negative 1 equal to 6. Choice A. Question number 17. Find the derivative of f of x equal 4 over x square root x. Rewrite this function as 4 over x times x to the power half equal to 4 over x to the power 3 over 2 equal to 4x to the power negative 3 over 2. Now, the derivative f prime of x equal 4 times negative 3 over 2 x to the negative 3 over 2 minus 1 equal to 4 times negative or reduce 2 with 4, 2 times negative 3, negative 6, x to the negative 3 over 2, negative 1, negative 5 over 2 equal to negative 6 over x to the power negative 5 over 2. Negative 5 to the 5 over 2 equal to negative 6, 5 over 2, it is x power 2, x to the half. Since 2 plus half, it is 5 over 2, then the final answer is negative 6 over x power 2 square root x. Choice C. Question number 18. Find the derivative of this function f prime of x equal to e to the x plus 1 in the denominator, the derivative in the numerator. The right choice is e to the x over e to the x plus 1. Question number 19. F of x equal negative 1 over tan x. We can rewrite this as negative 1 over sine over cosine equal to negative cosine x over sine x. Or we can apply the derivative of division of two functions. Now, f prime of x equal to sine x times the derivative of negative cosine x. It is negative times negative sine x. It is sine x minus the negative cosine x times the derivative of sine x. It is cosine x over sine square x equal to sine square x plus cosine square x over sine square x equal to 1 over sine square x. Choice C. Question number 20. Find the derivative of this function f prime of x. Since it is then the derivative is a fraction, x negative 2 in the denominator and the derivative of it in the numerator 1 over x minus 2. Choice B. 21. Derivative of this function. Rewrite it as f of x is equal to 5 over 8x power 3. Move x power 3 to the numerator. It will be x to the negative power 3 plus 2 cosine x. Now find the derivative. 5 over 8 times negative 3 x to the negative 3 minus 1 negative 4 minus 2 derivative of cosine negative sine. It will be negative 2 sine x. Simplify this. Negative 15 over 8x power 4 minus 2 sine x. It is choice B, negative 15 over 8x power 2 minus 2 sine x. Question number 22. Find the derivative of this function. Rewrite it as x to the power 1 over 5. Now find the derivative. 1 over 5x to the 1 over 5 minus 1 equal to 1 over 5 x to the negative 4 over 5 equal to 1 over 5 square root of order 5 to x power 4. Choice B. Sorry. Choice D. Question number 23. Find the derivative of this function. F prime of x equal to 1 over 3 cosine x. Choice C. Question number 24. Find the derivative of 1 over x. Rewrite it as x to the negative 1. Then f prime of x equal to negative x to the negative 2 equal to negative 1 over x squared. Choice D. Question number 25. Find the derivative of 6x minus 5 to the power 4 f prime of x. The derivative of the bracket for 6x minus 5, 4 minus 1, 3 times the derivative of the inside the bracket 6 equal to 24. 6x minus 5 to the power 3. Choice A. Question number 26. Find the derivative of this function. Here we find the derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared, and the derivative of sine, it is cosine negative 3 cosine x. Then the right choice is A. D. Negative 1 over x squared minus 3 cosine x. 27. F of x equal to e to the 2 pi. E to the 2 pi, it is constant. Therefore, the derivative of any constant is 0. Question number 28. F prime of x equal to 1/2. It is constant, and the derivative of the ln x is 1 over x. Therefore, the final result is 1 over 2x. Choice A. Question number 29. Apply rule of multiplication of two functions. F prime of x equal x power 2 times negative e to the negative x plus 2x times e to the negative x. Simplify this derivative. Negative x power 2 e to the negative x plus 2x e to the negative x. Factorized by e to the negative x, x e to the negative x, then negative x from the first term plus 2. Or 2 minus x e to the negative x. Choice B. Question number 30. F of x equal to ln x. F prime of x equal to 2 times 1 over x, the derivative of ln x. equal to 2 over x, choice B. Question number 31. Rewrite this function as negative 3x to the negative x to the negative 3 and find its derivative. Negative 3 times negative 3 x to the negative 3 minus 1 negative 4, then 9 over x power 4, the result. Choice B. Question number 32. Find f prime of x of f of x equal x power 2 plus sine x. F prime of x equal to derivative of x squared 2x and derivative of sine x cosine x. Then 2x plus cosine x, choice B. Question number 33. Find the derivative of this function f prime of x equal to apply rule of multiplication of two functions x times cosine x plus sine x times 1 minus derivative of cosine sine x. Sine x minus sine x plus sine x 0, then x cosine x is final result. Question number 34. If f of x equal ln 2 plus e to the x, find f prime of 0. First find f prime of x equal to 2 plus e to the x in the denominator and the derivative in the numerator, e to the x. Now f prime of 0 equal to e to the 0 over 2 plus e to the 0 equal to e to the 0 1, 2 plus e to the 0 1 over 3, choice B. Number 35, find the derivative of this function f prime of x equal to 3 times 2, 6, 3 minus 5x to the power 3 minus 1, 2 times negative 5, the derivative of the negative 5x, negative 5 times 6, negative 30 times 3 minus 5x all square, choice A. Question number 36. Find the derivative of this function f prime of x. Apply the derivative of division of two functions x power 2 times the derivative of cosine 2x negative 2 sine 2x minus the numerator cosine 2x times derivative of the denominator 2x over denominator square x power 2 square equal to factorize by negative 2x. The first term will be x sine 2x plus cosine 2x over x power 4. Reduce x with x power 4. The final result will be negative 2x sine 2x plus cosine 2x over x power 3. Choice B. Question number 37. Derivative of ln e to the 2x f prime of x equal to e to the 2x and its derivative in the numerator 2 e to the 2x. E to the 2x with e to the 2x, the result is 2, choice D. Question number 38. Derivative of ln x squared minus 2x plus 1. F prime of x equal to x power 2 minus 2x plus 1 in the denominator and its derivative in the numerator 2x minus 2. simplify to x minus 1, analyzed by experiment, x minus 1 minus 1. Then the result is 2 over x minus 1. Choice B. Question number 39. F of x is x cosine x. Find f prime of phi. First, find f prime of x equal to x times negative sine x plus cosine x times 1, the derivative of x. Now, f prime of phi equal to, since sine phi is 0, the first term will be 0, plus cosine phi equal to negative 1. Choice A. See you next lesson.